Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect an EPSON projector to a speaker. First, let's connect using Bluetooth. Turn on your EPSON projector and make sure your Bluetooth speaker is in pairing mode. This usually means pressing and holding the Bluetooth button until the indicator light starts flashing. Next, press the menu or settings button on your projector remote. Navigate to Bluetooth or settings, Bluetooth audio. Turn Bluetooth audio on if it is disabled. Then select Search Bluetooth device. Wait for your speaker to appear in the list, highlight it, and press Enter. After a few moments, the projector will connect to your speaker and the audio will play wirelessly. Now, let's look at the HDMI ARC method. Find the HDMI 2 ARC port on your EPSON projector. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to this port and connect the other end to the HDMI ARC port on your soundbar or compatible external speaker. After connecting the cable, open the projector menu and go to Signal I/O or Extended, depending on your projector model. Select HDMI link and make sure AV system is chosen as the audio out device. Save the settings and exit the menu. Thanks for watching.